It is said that in all the religions of the world, violence or animal sacrifice is considered a great sin. According to the scriptures, any religion which supports the violence of animals can never be beneficial. It is believed that in the ancient times, religion was created with the aim of increasing peace and harmony in the world. If this was not the purpose of religion, then it would not have been needed in this world in first place. But some ignorant people, for their own benefit, added a tradition like animal sacrifice which has been going on for thousands of years. Now the question arises here is that whether the animal sacrifice is a tradition in Hinduism or whether animal sacrifice is considered a heinous crime in Hindu scriptures. In today's video, we'll try to know the answers to these questions as mentioned in Garud Puran. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales English. There are some people who support animal sacrifice in Hinduism and justify it. But the point is, why such people do not think that the world benevolent religion, which was created by the gods and sages in the ancient times by such high order ideals, where even a common man can become a deity if he or she follows it religiously, then why would such a religion support animal sacrifice? There are people who are defaming Hindu religion by killing animals in the name of religion. Is it appropriate to tarnish religion in the name of tradition and make people part of the sin in the name of tradition? Do you think sacrificing animals under the guise of gods and goddesses would please them? Is it appropriate to practice and promote such superstitious beliefs? It is believed that people who practice animal sacrifice in the name of gods and goddesses, such people's lives is always filled with disease, poverty, and sorrow. Such people never achieve happiness, peace, and success. Not only this, due to the sin of killing innocent living beings, not just that person but his or her family members are also surrounded by disease, grief, sorrow, and poverty. In Hinduism, most people perform animal sacrifices in the temples of goddess Kali or in the monasteries of Bhairava. And such people think that Mother Kali becomes happy by eating animal flesh or drinking blood. But they forget that the god and goddesses who created all living creatures would never drink and would never be pleased by someone's blood and flesh. It is said that a mother grieves at the slightest injury to her child, and the mother's compassion pours out for her beloved child. So, how can it be believed that Mother Kali, an idol of compassion, kindness, and love, would be happy with such an act? In Hindu religious texts, violence has been considered a taboo everywhere. Animal sacrifice is not supported anywhere, either in Vedas or in the Puranas. According to Hindu scriptures, if a person commits Jiv Hatya in Dev Yagya, Pitru Shraddh, other welfare works, or any day in the name of ritual, then it is believed he or she goes to hell. Also, on the pretext of gods and goddesses, the man who kills an animal and eats meat along with his relatives is considered a great sin. Not only this, it has also been mentioned in the Vedas that God wants that no human should kill a horse, a cow, or any kind of animals or birds. Similarly, in the Shanti Parva of the Mahabharata Puran, it has been mentioned that those who sacrifice animals in the name of rituals is a grave sinner. According to Lord Krishna, the person who kills an animal and eats its meat in the name of God is not praiseworthy from any point of view according to the religion. Such people have been called the greatest sinners on the earth. It is said that animals kill each other because of their lower level of intelligence, but humans have been bestowed with compassion, kindness, and love, and that is why humans are different from rest of the creatures of the earth. If we too start killing and eating other creatures like animals, then what is the difference between them and us? To summarize, animal sacrifice is a tradition created by humans, and nowhere there is a mention of it in our scriptures. What is your view on animal sacrifice? Do let us know in the comment section below. That's all for today's video. If you liked our videos, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, The Divine Tales English, for more such videos. Do visit our Facebook page for religious posts and stories. That's all for today's video. Thank you. We'll soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.